This video is going to show you how to make a keychain and basically how to set up your workspace, and then you can freestyle it from there. Once you log into Tinkercad using your Google login, just like we do for our Chromebooks, you should be directed to this page. If you're not, if you find yourself somewhere else, you can always get back to the dashboard by clicking on the 9 squares. Once you're in the 9 squares, the dashboard, you're going to create a new design. Now, there are two different systems of measurement. There's standard and there's metric. And in the United States, which is different from the rest of the world, when we do anything having to do with construction, we typically use standard. So for the case of what we're doing for my class, we're going to go ahead and stick with that standard system. So I would want you to come down to the bottom part of the screen and go to Edit Grid, and I'd like you to switch it to inches. Okay, and you can leave the length and width however it is. That way, as you're working, you can kind of see what an inch would look like. And then the snap grid is at an 1/8 inch. That should be fine. The other thing that I need you to do is to change the name of your project. And I need you to do it exactly as I say here, which is that I need you to show me the color and then your first and last name, and then what the name of the project is, which will just be Keychain. You can change the color name later, but go ahead and pick the color you're most likely to choose now. So let's say I know I'm probably going to want to make something that's purple. So I'll type in purple, and then my first and last name, and then Keychain. Okay, and it will save automatically. So that's what you need to do to set up your workspace.